First, we're going to marinate a little bit of pork. Yeah. White pepper. A little bit of soy sauce. Cooking wine. Mix. Now I'm just going to cover it up and put it in the fridge. So for this dish, I have two kinds of numbing peppercorns. There's like a red one, and then there's like a, let's see, like a greener one. I don't know what the difference is, but let's try it out. We're gonna toast this and then grind it up. I think it's turning brown. You can really smell. It's very citrusy. I really like this on this dish. So I grounded it up to like this powder. It doesn't have to be all crushed up. I like biting into it sometimes when I'm eating the dish. You can use this probably like for chicken wings. Any fried thing, honestly. Like salt and pepper, a little bit at least. And then last, some smooth tofu. Oh. Salt in the boiling water. Okay, that should be good enough. Dry out the pot. Oh, by the way, I had some kind of leftover black beans I chopped up. Some of the stems. Oh, that was really smelling good. So instead of oil, I'm just going to do chili oil again. This thing again. It's so good. Can't forget the chili bean sauce. That much? A little more, maybe. That much. Now you can mix it back in. white pepper, soy sauce, dark soy as well. Smells good. Sugar as well. I'm just waiting for this to cook down, and then I'm gonna use some cornstarch. I'm just gonna slowly add. Okay, this looks good. A little bit of sesame oil. Spring onion. Or whatever. Good stuff. I want it numbing. Wow. Oh. Smells so good. I'm so hungry. Cheers to you. I got some leftover fried days. This is canned food. You can see this in Walmart even. This is actually where I get the black beans from. And every time I eat this, I don't know, because I don't usually eat the black beans. I'm like, oh, I might as well use it for something. So I always end up making this dish. Let's taste. Mmm. It was numbing. Oh, it was... Yes. Oh, if you haven't had these peppercorns, these Szechuan peppercorns, and then drink, like, well, I guess any fizzy beverage, but this right after, it's quite the sensation. You can eat this with noodles, with ramen. The sauce goes well with everything. Fishtail.